The blind spot warning (BSW) system can help alert the driver of other vehicles in the blind spot area when changing lanes. The BSW system uses radar sensors installed near the rear bumper to detect other vehicles in the blind spot area. The radar sensors detect vehicles on either side of your vehicle within the detection zone. The detection zone typically starts from the outside mirror of your vehicle and extends approximately 3 meters behind the rear bumper and approximately 3 meters to the side. When the system detects vehicles in the detection zone and the vehicle is traveling at speeds greater than approximately 32 kilometers per hour, the side BSW rear cross traffic alert (RCTA) indicator light illuminates. If the driver then activates the turn signal, the system chimes twice and the blind spot warning indicator light will flash. To enable or disable the system, press the right or left arrow buttons until settings displays. Now press the up or down arrow button to select driver assistance and press the OK button. Select blind spot, then press the OK button. Then select blind spot warning and press the OK button to toggle the system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.